Okay, we arrived at Walmart. Hello everyone and welcome to Destination Penguins. We are Jarek and Agnieszka traveling to the bottom of South America in our van Mundo. In 2023, we left our American lives behind and embarked on the journey south. Life is short, world is beautiful, and we want to make memories for a lifetime. So join us on this journey as we publish the highlights on YouTube. So today is our last day in Mexico. We are planning on crossing the border to Belize tomorrow morning. So today is a day of running errands and making sure we have everything that we need. We're going to move from Bacalar to the border town to do some errands like laundry and getting water, getting cheaper gas because Belize is much more expensive and so on. But we also pretty bittersweet about the border crossing tomorrow because on one hand we're super excited and happy to go to a new country, visit new culture and visit new beautiful sites and just kind of have new experiences during the travel. But on the other hand, we really liked Mexico. We've been here almost 4 months and this country is amazing. It's beautiful. The diversity of people and the natural beauty is amazing. From Baja until here through Yucatan, there are so many different environments and beautiful beaches and rivers and waterfalls and jungles and beautiful colonial towns, and everything is so happy and festive and the colors are bright and the people are so nice and helpful. So it's going to be like we'll miss Mexico a lot. And like there's so much fantastic stuff around. And the other thing that, it's kind of silly thing to say, but we're not like it's so safe and secure. There's not even a hint of lack of safety in this country. We parked not only at nice campsites but kind of shitty campsites, and we parked in the streets and slept in Walmart parking lots and Pemex gas stations, and always like it was always safe and like no issues whatsoever. So yeah, but on the other hand, I don't think we're going to be in Belize for long, and then we're going to go to Guatemala, which we both very much looking forward to it. So yes, it's kind of a sad day, but it's also a happy day. We're on the way to a border town called Chetumal. Is that right? Chetumal, I think. To do errands. So the most important is to do laundry, then to get some fill up with water and fill up with gas, even though I'm looking at the gas tank right now and it's pretty full, and to go to Walmart and do some non-food related purchases, because in order to get to Belize we have to eat all the fruits and vegetables and other perishables. They are not allowed to be inside the van when we're crossing the border. So yeah, it's going to be the last day full of errands before we cross over to Belize. That's the plan. We'll see if the plan works or what the hiccups might be today. Okay, we arrived at the laundromat. It's Sunday, so all of them are closed. And we're hoping to do our laundry ourselves because that's what we used to. That's what we've done. But I think we're going to have to use a laundry service. So, which is okay as well. Jarek is going to figure it out if they can wash it and dry it today. Or do we have to wait till tomorrow? And he's using Google Translate for this. And today is Sunday, so there's many of them closed. Oh, she even took the phone to do the translation. Okay, so we left 8 kilos of laundry here because otherwise, if we give them all of it, then the laundry won't be ready until 5 p.m. tomorrow. So that's a little bit late. So we left them 8 kilos here, and then we're going to go to another one and see if they can take the rest. And the 8 kilos should be done today by 3 o'clock, because if we don't show up before 3 o'clock, then they're closing it until tomorrow. So yes, that's the plan, to use two laundry services. Okay, so that was supposed to be the second lavanderia, but it's closed. Magic Bubbles.
Yeah.
22.
Express sería,
Sí.
pero
We tried 3 more and nobody can do it. So now water. We're going to fill up the water.
Not necessarily.
No? What do you want to do?
I don't know, Walmart?
We can go Walmart. Okay, we arrived at Walmart. The next visit, the Home Depot, to get an extra extension cord. Our last morning in Mexico, we spent yesterday doing errands. We didn't get water because it was Sunday, and Sunday it's really difficult. The laundry was crazy because we're only able to do some of it. And but Home Depot was open, so Yarek was able to get some extension cords and a few other things, so that's good. And we slept in Walmart parking lot under a tree with a whole bunch of grackles, I think those are the birds, singing, and some doves, and it was very nice and quiet. No issues whatsoever. So that was the last night in Mexico. And I must say, once again, that we never ever had any issues, even a hint of issues with safety in Mexico. And it's been great. Almost 4 months here. It's just a lovely place to be. And now we off to Belize. Getting the last gas in Mexico because it's so much cheaper than in Belize.
Supposed to be so much cheaper, we'll see. We don't know exact price,
That's right.
but it's supposed to be cheaper than in Belize.
So in Mexico, it's a full service, which I would love. And we always pay by credit card. They have this thing about making sure that all customers see the counter going back to zero. It's just sort of their way of ensuring that there is no strange things going on.
buen día.
Buenos días. Regular, por favor.
Regular. Full.
Yes, yellow.
Okay, credit card done.
América.
Sí.
No América.
Polonia.
Polonia. Ah, ok.
The car, America.
América, sí. Americanos. No, Polonia.
Yeah. Polonia in Americanos.
Sí.
Gracias.
Ok, adiós. Que tenga lindo
Adiós.
día. Bye.
Gracias.
Libre, or we're going?
Okay, first mistake. We stopped at the aduana, which is for checking out the car, as opposed to getting to immigration first. So we have to go to immigration first. And it's totally different building and it's further up. So that's what we're doing. Okay, we got stopped by the military, and he inspected the truck, the van, Mundo, and he let us go further. So now.
No, but he said that he only stopped us just because we stopped there first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
See,
So
and then
anyway.
we can park in here for Aduana.
Oh, I see. I see.
I think.
All right. So now we're going through immigration. This is the building, quote unquote. So apparently we didn't have some kind of a receipt, but this immigration agent did a favor and she accepted whatever we had. And then so we went to cancel the tip, and that went okay, but no problems. We got our $400 back in dollars, which is nice. So now we are totally checked out of Mexico, and now we have to drive to Belize to get ourselves checked in into Belize, which we hope. I mean, it wasn't bad, but it was slightly like this woman was saying that she's going to do us a favor because we didn't have some kind of a receipt, which I usually put all the receipts into one place, but don't know what happened. All right, so now we are in no man land, where we out of Mexico and we're not in Belize. But the first step in Belize is to fumigate the car, which costs $5 to do that. So I am not sure what the purpose of it is, but we'll see.
No, this is the fuming.
Okay, so we on the Belizean side, we got we went through immigration and we got the temporary import for Mundo, so we all good. Yareng now is doing some pesos exchanging for Belizean dollars because we still have some leftover and we won't have use for it. So there is a place where they're doing the exchanges. And success?
Yeah. So put this away. This is the receipt for the 30.
Okay, sounds
Right.
good. So you exchange the
Yes.
pesos?
For 500 got 55.
Oh, I see. Well, it's better than nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is the last stop. We're getting car insurance for the duration of our stay in Belize. And this is the white building. So, yes, Yarek is going to get in for, I guess, 30 days. So here's the insurance sticker for us for a month. All right, so I think we're done. Now we have to get SIM cards
Now
and food.
time for a cigarette.
Oh, yeah. Here are our stickers so far. We just added the Belize sticker to Mundo. In this episode, we did not travel far. We left Bacalar and drove to the town of Chetumal, where we ran errands. And then the next day, we woke up and drove to the border to do all the formalities. And then after that, we spent the night in Orange Walk, already in Belize.